Hello guys, Beast Boys here, and today we're gonna be doing a Star Wars unboxing. Let's just start. Okay, first off we have some pins. There's, here, let me take them off. There's Luke Skywalker patch, and then here's the pin. It's Chewbacca. Those are the pins and patches. Now get to the good stuff. Oh, okay. So first off, we have it's a pop salt and pepper shakers. It's Han Solo and Greedo. Yeah, and then there's these socks. I don't know what it is. I don't even know if it's socks. Hand wash. Let me open it up. Here's how it looks like though. I don't know what it is, so let me open it up. I'll be back in just a sec. Okay, so I opened them up and I don't know if it's supposed to be a bracelet like this or if it's supposed to be like a can holder where you just hold it and then drink. Yeah, I don't know what it's supposed to be. And let's see what the last thing is. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Here's a bobblehead. It's really good. It's Luke Skywalker with his speeder. Oh, that looks so cool. That is awesome. And these are the two. I'll show you the other big bobblehead I had from a previous box. Here's the second one, and here's the first one. Put it out. I got this Han Solo with this thing. I don't know what it's called. We have Han Solo and we have Luke Skywalker with his speeder. And yep, that's gonna be it for today. Beast Boys out.